Hey everybody, welcome to the Focus Garage. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install LED headlight bulbs on your first generation Tiguan. This video is brought to you by DE Auto LED. So we're going to jump right into this here, show you some of the differences between their bulbs and the competitors, and show you how to install these full LED headlight bulbs on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Now, if you are curious as far as what these are going to fit, this is going to fit any kind of Volkswagen model with a H7 bulb. So you can see here, here's the list of the different Volkswagens that are going to use this style of H7 bulb. Now, do not be fooled. There are some competitors or even imitators that offer a fitment for this vehicle, but the bulb is Passat specific. So what I'm going to show you right now is the offset of the bulb and how that's different. This installation is going to be pretty much for any Volkswagen on that compatibility list that I showed you just a moment ago. But on this vehicle, this is a first generation Volkswagen Tiguan. This particular one is a 2016 year model. This is going to be from the beginning of the generation all the way up until the 2017 model. 2018 is when they switched it. This particular one does have the Hella style lenses. So this is basically what it looks like in the front here. You've got your high beam right there, and then you've got your low beam right there. So let's hop into this. Now, you may be turned off by some people online saying you've got to remove your front bumper, remove fenders, fender liners, everything like that. But let me tell you, that's entirely incorrect. This actually is pretty easy to install in your garage. And just like a lot of the recent LED videos I've been showing you guys, no tools are required. This literally is done completely with your hands. So this is going to be the cap that's innermost to the vehicle. So we've got, your frame rail here. Here is your cap. So you got a nice little tab on it there. Just going to take this guy, turn it counterclockwise. Screws right off. You can see here, just lift it right up and out of the way. You're going to discard that. You no longer need that. And then once you get in here, let's see here. You can see that we've got the turn signal bulb. Or not the turn signal bulb, excuse me, the headlight bulb. So this is your headlight bulb right here. It's going to have this big tab on the back of it here. It's very, very simple. Just like that cap, you're going to take this and turn it counterclockwise and pull it right out. So let me do that for you guys. And once you go ahead and get that out, this is what you're looking at. This is it. So you've got just this pull tab that you go ahead and rip the bulb out with, and then the bulb itself. These metal contacts that you see right here are how the bulb gets power, as well as the metal contact of the bulb itself. But that's it. We're going to go ahead and grab the DE Auto bulb and pop it in place and show you guys just how simple that is. Now, we can see we've got the bulb in place there. This is what the DE Auto bulb is going to look like inside of the housing. I really couldn't find an efficient way to film this for you guys here without, slamming my hand in the way. So I'm just going to kind of show you an overview of what I've done. You can see here, this is the back of the bulb, and that's it. It's in the housing. These are pretty much the heat sinks for the cooling there. But what you're going to want to do is when you pull out this factory bulb, pay close attention to the way the tabs are aligned. On my particular vehicle, it looked kind of something like this. So the metal kind of contact tabs went up and towards the outside of the vehicle. So I got a feel for how that went. And then I just pretty much made sure that I lined up the LED bulb in the exact same manner. So as you can see here, we've got this in, and you'll pretty much, just feel it around. And then once you've got it in, you're going to feel it sink all the way into the headlight housing. You go ahead and push lock it. So not even push, you just turn the lock. So it'll fall into the groove. You take it and turn it to the right, and you'll hear it, snap to lock. And that's it. It's in place. No free play, nothing like that. It's not wiggling or anything like that. It's a very, very solid feel inside the headlight housing there. And that is it. I'm going to go ahead and do the driver's side now and then show you guys the finished product. All right, we're back at it. We've got both bulbs installed. So I'm going to show you here we've got the passenger side, and here we've got the driver's side. Now, one of the things I do want to take the time to show you is just how nice the beam pattern is. So you can see here, there is no scattering, as well as over there. It's a very, look at that, it's particularly on the corner of the wall there. Very, very sharp, nice cutoff. Now, these bulbs are designed to sit in the lens in such a way where you shouldn't have to re-aim your headlights, and they're going to, go right in there and not blind oncoming traffic. Now, I know, obviously, a lot of people are going to throw a fit. If it's not a projector, you shouldn't run anything other than a halogen in it. However, headlight technology has come a very, very far way, and if you're buying bulbs meant for a particular application like these ones from DE Auto LED, they will work in such a way where you're going to get a beautiful beam output on the wall or the road that is meant for your headlight. So I'm trying to just kind of show in here the way it reflects off the lens and everything like that. It was designed in mind with the way that bulb is going to reflect the light off of the housing. So it's not scattering it up and down on the road, it's scattering it side to side in such a way that's going to be a usable beam pattern. Something else I want to also make note of that a lot of other headlight companies do not care about is this cap here. Remember we pulled this guy off to install the bulb? Well, a lot of companies do not allow you to retain that cover. The bulb will stick out too far, you'll have wiring, stuff like that. Since these are truly plug and play, this cap goes back on with no issues whatsoever. You've got the passenger side there. Driver's side's a little bit tighter, but nothing special noted over there. It's the same thing. You'll just take that cap off and stick your hands in there and do the same thing. Unscrew the factory bulb and screw in the DE Auto one. But I just wanted to show you guys that the caps on these fit totally flush. You know, so you have a weather-tight seal. You don't have to worry about any kind of water, moisture, anything like that getting in there and making anything wrong with your headlights. You can see you've got a perfect, very, very sharp, crisp light output there. I am so pleased with the way these headlights look. And that's going to pretty much wrap it up. This video is showing you how to go from these terrible, very dim, low light halogen bulbs to the LED bulbs from DE Auto LED. Installation is very simple. It requires literally no tools, just your hands, and that's all it's going to take to get these bulbs thrown in your car. I want to give a huge shout out to DE Auto LED and thank them for working with me on this here. We worked to make sure we get a bulb that would work properly in the car, have a great light output, have no bulb out errors on the dash, and truly be plug and play and fit fantastic. And let me tell you, I have no complaints whatsoever. They fit great, they work great, and I can't wait to test them out on the road. If you do have any questions as far as how to install these on your vehicle, please let us know in the comments down below. It is going to be pretty similar though for any Volkswagen using this style of H7 bulb. You'll just go ahead and take that cover off, take out the bulb, and then you'll put this in its place. Another thing I like about this bulb is you're not messing with adapters. You're not taking out this factory bulb and wiggling something into the place here. You're not trimming this factory piece. It's literally you remove this entire factory piece, you throw in the new LED, and that's it. You're good to go. You don't have to wire up any resistors, worry about anything not working properly, not fitting properly. You just put it in the housing, lock it into place, and that's it. So yeah, if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I definitely will have a link to purchase these in the description, and that's about it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We do love our lighting here on this channel, as you're seeing lately, but that's going to wrap it up for me. I want you guys to have a great day, and tune into the next video.